Pin down! What's up guys? VFK Tactical here. So i-review natin yung another unit na most requested by our followers sa messages natin. Na i-review daw natin yung Glock 17. So the Glock 17, I think it's one of the most popular na pistol out there. Law enforcement, military, and even private security agencies. Mahilig sila sa 17, okay? It's just a standard size. Na chambered in 9mm for the totoong baril, polymer na frame, and then steel slide. Okay, so this is the WE or the Weapons Elite Tactical Glock 17 unit. No, Gen 5 tayo, Gen 5 tong unit na to. So pag dumating sa inyo, you have this box, medyo glossy na box, and then yung 17. By the way, this is not licensed by Glock, so wala siyang markings ng Glock. Okay, yan. Okay. Alright. Buksan na natin yung unit. Yan. So pag bukas nyo, ang bubungad sa inyo is of course the owner's manual. Mandatory naman yan sa lahat ng WE units. May owner's manual kayo lagi. And then you have your magazine. No? This could fit I think around 20 to 22 rounds. Pero if magsobra na doon, mag-overfeed and hindi siya maipapasok o maisisit ng ayos doon sa baril. So, ayan. Lagay lang natin yan dyan. Meron kayong pins. Grip pin. Itong maliit. Then yung panulak, yung mahaba. Back straps. I think this is medium and large. I'm not sure. So, ayan. Medium and large. Para sa additional grip. And then you have your unit. Yan. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 polymer frame and then metal slide. Okay? So unlike yung mga unang WE, pag nag-i-slide, nag-i-stuck dito. Pero as you can see, wala. Yan. Smooth na siya. And then accurate pa sa size ng totoong Glock 17. No? The Glock Gen 4, meron siya ditong grips. So may mga nakausling pang grip dyan and such. By the way, for the back straps, ganito lang siya. Kakabit nyo lang dyan. Diyan. And then, tulak nyo doon. Then yung pin, ipapalit nyo doon sa existing pin. Yan, mas makapal na yung grip nyo. No? Para sa mga malalaki yung kamay dyan. Okay? FPS test tayo. Tanggalin lang natin to. Or maybe later. Diba? Ganda niya. Hindi niya matanggal ng ayos. So, FPS tayo. Lagay lang natin ng gas. So paglagay ng gas is around 8 to 10 seconds. Okay na yon for 2 full magazines, no? Okay. By the way, dapat pantay ito para hindi natin maiwasan ng jam or any malfunction. Yan. Pantay-pantay yung BBs. So FPS test tayo. Insert magazine. And then, rack the slide. Okay? Alright. Buksan lang natin tong 00 yan. 00. And, iharap natin kay Makarov. 348. Ang lakas. Okay? .312. 312 ulit. 300, 316, 295, 298, 307, busin natin, 288, of course, ubos na yung bala natin eh. Alright, so after mawala ng bala, slide lock siya, release magazine, pull back lang, and then let it slide, hammer down, okay? Dalawang kasa, check kung may laman, and hammer down ulit. Okay, so this is the Glock 17, you have your standard Glock sights pala, rear sights and front sights, polymer frame, functioning lahat, even the disassembly, ganito lang siya kadali i-disassemble. Boom, disassemble na. And then, assemble lang siya. So you have your rail dito sa baba, just like the real one, may undercut ng konti, may flared magwell din siya built-in sa polymer frame niya. Ayan. Okay. So, this is the unit. Message nyo lang kami. Available to sa shop natin. Alright. Balik lang natin. Tanggalin lang natin yung stubborn na yan. So guys, if you like this unit, available to sa shop natin, just message us and tulungan namin kayo makuha tong Glock 17 Gen 5. Once again, VFK Tactical here. Thank you and see you sa next unit.